Hi everyone, it's James from Fairhome. We're at our latest HMO conversion in Fallowfield in Manchester. The project's gone reasonably well. We've had the usual difficulties with any conversion of this type, possibly more so on this one, including having to replace rotten floor joists, build up masonry work, replace lintels, amongst other things. And in terms of the backstory for this property, we bought it following a direct-to-vendor letter, and we purchased the property for just over 230,000. And the programme here has taken about 22 weeks. We've run over a little bit. It was intended to be 19 weeks, but with all those extra work, we've inevitably lost a little bit of time. This property is located in the heart of Fallowfield. We're just about a 5-minute walk to Wilmslow Road. We have a few other properties in this area. It's very, very popular with students because you've got the local bus routes and lots of amenities, bars and shops nearby. So it's really convenient for students, and we try wherever possible to have our properties in those sort of optimal areas for our student market. The house has undergone a big change since we bought it. It was originally a 3-bedroom terrace house with 1 bathroom, and it was in a pretty grotty condition when we bought it, so it'd been unoccupied for about 18 months. But since then it's undergone a complete transformation. What we've done is knock through on the ground floor, so we now have a big open plan living space, which has the added benefit of having a decent sized dining area, because we know our tenants are social people and they like to eat together. So we've been able to carve that out of the bigger living space on the ground floor. What that meant was that we had to put the extra bedroom up onto the top floor, so we've built a dormer and put a bedroom up on the top floor. We've also got our ground floor bedroom, which is towards the back of the property in the new build extension, and that bedroom's also an ensuite. We've got another ensuite on the middle floor, and then a larger shared shower room for the other 2 bedrooms on the first floor. Up on the top floor, we've got our loft room and also a large shared bathroom with full-size bath, because again we know our market appreciates having a bathroom as well as shower rooms. As is always the case with these conversions, renovating it unearths some problems throughout the house. So obviously that meant that we've eaten a little bit into our contingency, but it means that we've got a really solid product now, and hopefully sort of future-proofing the building. We've also on this property done quite a bit of work on services, so we've moved the main services so that we can open up this living area, but also we've completely replaced the drainage to the rear of the property, just because of the number of bathrooms that we have. We've worked hard to make the property as efficient as we possibly can. What we have done is replace all of the windows, so we've now got modern double glazing, and also with our new build elements, we've obviously done those to building regs. So we've got obviously our insulated dormer up on the top floor and our new build extension. We've gone for the most efficient gas boiler we can, and similarly on our cylinder that we've put in. We've also fitted a smart heating system, thermostats, and that's allowed us to achieve an EPC rating of C, which we're really pleased about. We plan to hold this property in our portfolio, and we were fortunate enough to rent it off plan to a group of 6 friends. We've done really well with this one, I think. We're renting for about £145 per person per week. So that equates to an annual contract of about 45,000. Based on 45,000 gross income for the property, we hope to net roughly around 1,850 per month. That might have been higher, but we're in a very expensive energy period at the minute, so it still hits our benchmark of what we're looking for in terms of our net return per month. If you'd like to find out more about this conversion or any of our other current or future projects, we'd love to hear from you. Please do get in touch.